Alright. Welcome all. Today is Wednesday, March 8th. We're getting ready to trade here, about 3 minutes to the open. Here's a disclaimer. Trading stocks is very risky. My results are not typical. Typical result of an average trader will be to lose money. Keep in mind that you're accountable for your own decisions and that there's no guarantees that watching any of my content will improve your trading. Alright, so far we're down $15 on the day. We took one trade on SVRE, just right here on this dip. Just a 1 cent loss on 2,000 shares. Nothing big, um, nothing notable. Our gap scanner is a little weird today. We got a lot of uh, higher floats. There's two higher floats that I won't be trading. There's also two buyouts that I won't be trading. So there's FRTX, which is one that is a possibility to trade, but it's sold off quite significantly from 360 down to 310, 315. Needs to get back over 330 before it even starts looking good. And then SVRE is the only one that's really holding up so far. That's a second leading gapper, and this one needs to get back up towards over 20 would be good. So over 20 here on this pivot. Now we had this large wick candle, doji candle, from 208 all the way up to 239. But yeah, highs are at 243, so if it does get back over 20, we could look for this over 43. And this pattern does look decent. So SVRE is my main watch right now. I saw tops was down on the gap scanner. This one has very low volume, and it really needs to get over $1 before it's good. Other than that, I'm still looking through all of them. HLBZ, it's really low priced. I mean, it's a good pattern, but really low priced. So I'll put that on a side chart. It would need to get over 20 cents. OBSV, also really low price. This one's not that good of a pattern though. So that's not traded. Saidu. We need more volume on Saidu in order to trade it. Over 88 cents. I'll put it on a side chart in case it does want to squeeze over 90 and maybe get a squeeze to $1. But other than that, I'm not really looking for trades on it. IKT, it's at 80 cents. Yeah, no, that's not tradable. FRGT, also not tradable. Just sold off too much. EDBL, sold off. VRQS, not that much volume. So with 30 seconds of the open, the only one I really have on watch is SVRE and FRTX. So hopefully we get something on the momentum scanners. But if we can't, then I'll be stuck with just these two. So we'll be watching. Good morning, Clive, Ed, Dolce, Mike, Jiri. Good morning, all. Alright, there's the bell. Let's watch this open. Alright, getting a nice push at the open here. That's SVRE. If we can get this over 20, that'd be nice. SVRE 15. There's 15, 17. Watching SVRE. First minute's almost over. TRKA is actually pushing at the open from yesterday. Sell off. 6 million shares at the open. Let's see here. 38, there's some sellers at 38. We'll see if it wants to top out here. Getting a position here at 38 as that seller breaks down. Watching 38 break. Out at 37.50. Watching back over 38. Getting a lot of green on the tape. Watching 38 break. 38.01, 38.20. Buyers at 38. Watching 38.40. It's looking weak though. Out at 38.06. It feels weak. Switching focus to SVRE over 11. Watching 11, 12. 17 was the high there. Taking it off at 6. Morning, Mateo. Alright, let's see here. Trying to time the pop on TRKA after the sell-off. So buyer at 34. And at 34.25. Watching 35 break. Watching 35. Watching 35 break on TRKA. I'll take it off for a loss. SVRE just made a false breakout. Flush down. We're buying the dip there on SVRE. 82. Seller at 83. Hopping out at 80. $2.99. Can FRTX get back over 3 here? Not looking likely. So that's, I don't know, like 6 red trades in a row. I see KBAL going, it just doesn't, I don't trust it because it was going flat for most of pre-market. There's gotta be something else. It's unfortunate SVRE made that false breakout. EDBL. We'll give it a try. I think it started here at 20 on KBL. See if it wants to give us a bounce through 25. Below 16 is a cut. Cutting it at 16. Watching max N for a move over 25.10, 25.15. Starter here at 05. There's 20. Added at 21 or 17. Put it at 93. There's really not much today, huh? OBSV's going actually. Hit all the way to 22 from 17. I guess I was watching the wrong one, huh? Market high of 23. I filled 5,000 shares at 20. So we can add at 75. Watching 2150 here. Alright, at 2130. Buyers at 2108. 2150 is a spot to watch for the breakout to 22. Watch 2150. There's 2135. 2140. Needs to get back over 21. Taking the loss. $21.30 average. Watching 22. I have 2180 there. $21.67, $21.70. EDBL halting up. False halt. At 989 there, watching 401. Watch the hot level to move up. Watch the hot level moving up. There's 413. 410, watching 413 hot level. Watch 405. 401 there. 405, 410. Took some off at 410, 409. 418 is the new hot up. There's 409. Watch 10 break. Watching 10 break for 418. There's 410. Watching it break. Hot level's at 23. There's 11. Took some more off at 11. Watching 20. 23 is the halt. Watching 23. Order sitting at 22. There we go, took some more off at 22. Hollow was at 28 now. Taking the rest off at 17. Nice trade there. It needs to halt up before I can get back in, or a significant dip down, back down to 4. Or I can reduce size as well. There's 407. 402. There's a bid at 402. Gonna take an entry at 406. Watching 16, 20. There's 18 on the ask. Order sitting at 17. Getting filled at 17, out at 17. Looking to buy another dip. Back in at 15 here. Watching over 18 and 20. 25 is the high. Watch this over 20. There's 25, watch 30. Watch 30 here, 29. Order sitting at 29, 30. Gonna cancel that order, watching 29. Taking up half at 29. Watching 30 break. Hollow upset 43. Okay. Watching 30. Break a 30 here. Added at 27. Careful here with break of 30. Hopping out at 19. Took a loss on that add. Not in for this breakout because if I'm going to be in, it has to be on a dip, not a breakout here. $37 back down to 20, 16, 12. There it goes. Try getting a dip at 96, no fill. There we go, getting filled there. Watching over 4, 401. Watching 404. Watching 404. Watching the dip, there's 4 on the ask. On the ask. Get back over 4. There's 404. Took some off at 404, watching 410. Buyers at 4, watching 410 here. Oh, gonna cut the rest at 93. Pretty break-even trade there. Follow it down's at 71, so be careful here. Starter here at 91. Trying to see if we can get a pop to 94. $92, watch 94. Out at 94. That's all I wanted was a 3-cent pop. It's too bad we couldn't get a hot on this one. So 4, if we can get back over 4, 410. There's 401. Really needs to get back over 410 before we can start considering again. FRTX is pretty much in the dumps, so is SVRE, so our leading gappers have tanked. Right now we're just watching EDBL. max in potentially over 2580, 2560. EDBL dropping down to 70 there. EDBL, if we can get back over 410, I'll start looking at it again. Trying to play today a little bit slower since we did give back a lot of money in the beginning of the day. And it does seem like a slower day momentum-wise. There's not that much. We got we got one move on EDBL where it showed halts on, or it was chasing halts, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is sold off. SVRE is maybe attempting an ABCD under VWAP, which is not exactly the best setup, but I'm watching it on a side chart. Over 75.80 on SVRE. UNCY. UNCY is moving kind of. But I don't know about it. It's still pretty low volume. Okay, there's 410 on EDBL. Trying to dial back in. It's 411. Needs to stay above 4 here. That's the key thing. If it can't stay above 4, there's no trade. Okay. It's holding 405, 4. It's 411, 412. Okay, it's holding for the most part. We got volume coming in as well. Let's try and get dialed. For 11. Put at 15. Outbreak even. It's showing it hit 29. I never saw that. Topping tail. Out at 10. Took us a $30 loss on it. So I do popping up. CTRM is testing $1. Hit 97. High day scans is where I got this. Watching 97. 95. Watching for a starter. Watching this pullback. CTRM, we're looking to buy a pullback here for break of $1. 93. Buyers at 94 stepping in. Three. Starter here at 94. CTRM. There's 95. Watching 95 break. $94, $99. Need to see 95 on the ask. There we go. Taking it off at 94, break even. Seller came in at 93.70. EDBL is kind of making a flag here. It held 4 here on that dip, on that false breakout. 29. 24. There's 30, 34, 35, 37, 43. Okay, back down. 30. Okay, in here at 33, watching 50, 57's halt level. 55. 55. Watching 50, 55. There's 50, 55, watch 57, halt level. 53. Took off a little bit at 53. 67's the halt level now. There's 53, 55, 57. Need a halt up here. Watching 50 break. Gonna take it off at 44. And at 50, watching 61, 72 is the halt level. Watching 60. Took off some at 61. There's 64. Taking off the rest break even. Back in, watching 64, 65, 70. This thing's starting to go a little bit more parabolic. Out at 64, watching 65. Seller at 65, watching it break, 70. Gotta cut it at 53. Get back some. Dip buy at 41, no fill. Watching the dip lower. Try getting it at 34 there, no fill. Watching 50 EDBL. $53. Buyer at 45. Buyer at 45. It's failing. Out at 42. Okay, back 100. So EDBL will probably have to wait for a curl back up. 48 was the high of the last candle, 53 the high of the last, 65, and 53. Low here was 34. One more attempt of 50 break. Watching 53. 50's thinning out. Out at 42. There it goes. 53. Watching 60. Damn it. God damn it. Out at 40. It's wicking everywhere. There's 60, 65, 70. Oh my god. At 66, watch 70 break. 72. $73. Color at 62. Might have to call it there. Actually, no, CTRM is showing signs. Really sucks though. We got wicked out of the trade and then it just fucking went 40 cents. There's 95 on CTRM. Watching 95, 97's high a day. Had it at 95, there's 96. Can we get that move 97? Watching 96 break, watch 97 here. Watch 97 break a high a day. Taking it off at 95, small win. Still watching for that break at 96.70 and 97. Watching 97 break. Break of 97 is what we're looking for. There's 98, watching 99 here. Watching 99. Took some off at 98. Watching 98, 99. There's 98.30, 98.40, 98.70. Took some more off, watching 99. Don't want to get too greedy. Taking the rest off at 98. Now watching 99. Watching 90, 98, 70 and 99. Watching 99 here. Break a 99 and watching 1. Watching break of 1 here. Break of 1 here. Taking some off. Watching 1. Watching this break of 1. Watching 1, there's 101, watching 102. 101, watching 102. Have to cut it at 99, unfortunately. Sellers came in at 1. Not the kind of break we wanted for break of 1. Pause them at 99.20, see if we can get a reclaim of 1. Watching 101 again. It's 102. Let's see 102 here. Took some off at 101, watching 102, 103. Taking some off at 103. Took some off at 102. Watching 103 break. My order at 103 is getting filled slowly. One oh three is getting filled. Mostly got that order filled. There we go. Fully out of that 103 103 order. There's 104, 105. Still holding from 106. We'll see how much this squeeze is. Hot level is at 15. There's 7. There's 9, 10. Took some off at 10. There's 12, watching 15 here. 17's the hot level now. Took some more off at 11. High of 13 there. Buyers stepping in at 8. Lots of buyers at 8. Buying some more at 9, watching 13 for highs. All those at 19. Gonna cut the rest of it at 8. So lost on that ad just a little bit. Overall, a nice squeeze on CTRM. Hollow was at 120. Sellers at 11. And at 12, watching 15. Added at 13. Watching 15, there's 14. Gonna go ahead and cut at 11. Small loss. Buyers at 8. Starter here at 10. As long as we hold 8. Out at 7. EMA is at 104. CTRM, we need either a pullback to 105, 104. We got some topping tails on the 5-minute. And at 10 here, watching 13 and 14. Got it at 13, watching 14 break. Break of 15. So watching 15 here. 14's thinning out, watching it. Watch 15, high at daybreak. Took some more off at 15 and 14. There's 19 now, or is that 18? There's 18. Halts at 25. There's 18. Added at 18. Watching 19. Gotta cut it at 15. So I lost a little bit on that ad. Taking a starter here at 14. Micro pullback. Right at 16, watching 17. Took some off at 17, watching 18, high a day. Watching 19. Taking the rest off. Watching 20, there's 21. Out at 21. There goes EDBL popping up. EDBL break of 60. Out at 61. CTRM, high a day 21. Paula was at 29. And at 18, watching that 20 area. Sellers at 20 came in. Out at 19, small win. Watching 20 break, there's 22, 23. Order at 23. Watching 23. Hollow was at 30. Let me get some extension on this. Orders out at 23 for a sell. Half my position. Buyers at 21. Watching the sell orders at 23. Thin out. There they go. Taking some off at 22.50. Watching 24 now. Out the rest at 20 for a break even. Try buying the dip there at 15 and 16. Got filled some at 16. Gonna go ahead and cut it break even. Watching for another dip lower. There's 14. Sellers at 17. Gonna wait for this to stop having so much selling pressure. 14. That was the highest volume candle, I think. It's almost highest volume candle on a red candle. Sellers at 14. Yeah, there's some massive selling going on now. I'm not gonna get wrapped up in it. That's one thing I've been doing is getting wrapped up in all these trades where there's a lot of sellers against me. Slowly chipping away profit. I'm not gonna do that today. Okay, let's see. Something here. We'll wait for the selling pressure to go away if it does, but that was a lot of volume on red volume. So I'm not surprised if it doesn't want to get back above 20. There's a buyer at 14. CTRM having a 5-minute pullback. BRQS I'm also eyeballing for a break of 29. Watching 29 break. There's 29.60. Try and get out 29.40. Cutting it at 15. Small winner. There wasn't that many buyers over 29. The buyers are all at 29, but not over 29. Buyers at 29.50 now. Maybe I misread it. But sellers at 29.60. So it's just kind of stacked. It's not really going anywhere. It's gonna be difficult to trade, is what I'm saying. So I'll go ahead and put that aside. And CTRM, I'm no longer liking. It's gonna be a while before it moves again. And having the highest few volume candles on a red candle, some sell-off here from 23 down to 11. It's not looking good for it. It may go again, but I won't be around for it because I'm gonna be calling it here. All right, and we have less fees today because we didn't overtrade. Our fees are only like 50. I see here. No, they're only 40. Fees are only 40 today. So very nice. Retaining most of our profit. All right. Thank you, Clive. Thank you, Dolce. All right, guys. I'll be back tomorrow for hopefully another good day. This is we're starting to chip away at the drawdown, which is good. And you don't really want to get aggressive until after you're at least halfway through your drawdown. So maybe we have another 1,000 to go before we're halfway through the drawdown, and then after that, then we can start feeling more confident again with taking every single entry. All right. Thank you, trader community. Thank you, The Rock. All right. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care.